Hey everyone, it's Jake with Real Broker. Thanks for joining us on another great home tour. I'm super excited about this home tour because my partner Angie, who I've been working with for like 5 years now, so this is one of her listings. Super excited to show it. Always please like, subscribe, comment, engage with us. But let's get the camera off me and I'll tell you about this great house, all right? Okay, so this house is a single-story house, as you can see. It's got a 2-car garage. It's got an RV garage. It's got a pool. It's 4 bedrooms. It's only a couple of years old. It's a corner house in this small little community of only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 homes. So you don't have a whole lot of neighbors, half an acre. What else about it? I don't know. Let's go take a look. Let's go catch up with Angie. It's about 2,800 square feet. And stay tuned in the end. It's got an RV garage and it's got an amazing pool. So let's take a look. Hey, friend.
Hey, friend.
What's going on, Ange?
Welcome.
Oh, thanks so much for having us today. So this is a great listing. I've been in it a few times. I was just telling everybody watching about, it's obviously only a couple of years old, about 2,800 square feet. And it's got 2 awesome features outside, but
RV garage in the swimming pool.
Why don't
We're not going to say that yet?
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and show us around this house? Tell us about it.
So this Liberty home has a huge open floor plan. So you get lots of room to entertain over here. Chef kitchen over here with a giant island. Huge pantry over there. We've got a little butler's pantry as well as a freestanding stove. Stainless steel appliances throughout.
Oh, yeah. Nice sized pantry.
For sure. On this side of the house, Jake, you're going to find these beautiful windows that overlook the pool, so it gives you a lot of light in here. Down this way, far away from the primary suite, you will find 2 spacious bedrooms.
Let's take a peek in those. People got kids, and these are Jack and Jill's, correct?
This is a Jack and Jill, plantation shutters throughout, ceiling fans. This has a Murphy bed in this room, all walk-in closets.
And these are, what, 12-foot ceilings? These are pretty tall.
Yes.
So that's nice. Let's take a peek at the bathroom. Everyone wants to see what's going on, so. Shower tub combo, and then here's the Jack and Jill effect.
Yes, lots of room with separation, even though you're on your own side.
Yeah. I like how there's one side has a little bit big, but maybe it's a boy and a girl, and the girl needs a little bit more counter space.
One of us always needs a little more room.
Someone always needs more room. So these are big size rooms too. Probably
yes,
like what?
Definitely big size rooms. There are 4 total. Also storage. Everyone always forgets to look
The storage
for
is
storage.
important. There's been homes I've been in where I have not shown the linen closets and have been reminded to show the linen closets. So
You need the linen space because if you collect pillows and blankets like I do, gotta have room for those.
yeah, absolutely. Cool. So kitchen.
Again, lots of
great
extra
room.
storage under here as well because sometimes you have cabinets that can't be used.
Oh,
and
yeah.
that's no good.
Yeah, that's super cool.
Let's take you this way over to the mudroom and the laundry room, which is off of the little 2-car garage.
And as we head that way, this would be if you wanted a formal dining room table area. You can see this one's set up here. You could fit a large one in here too. This one looks like just your
For
kind of
sure,
on the small
you
side,
could
6
fit a lot
so.
larger table, and that's a nice wine fridge built in right there.
We'll peek back at that in a second. So I like it. I like the mudroom. It makes me kind of think I'm in some place where it rains a lot.
Makes you want to take your shoes off.
Yeah. Although we've been having a lot of rain lately, it's been pretty awesome. That's cool. I like the little wet sink, additional storage in here.
Yep, you
The
can
little-
wash pups.
Hanging racks there, so if you need to hang a couple items up to dry. And I'm going to peek in the garage real quick, Ange. I know there's some moving supplies in here, but that's okay. So this is actually, I can see this is actually like a 3-car garage. It's 2 wide and it has the 3rd deep.
Right, little tandem space there, epoxy flooring. They've used it for some workout.
Oh yeah, see a pull-up bar there. And tankless hot water heater, soft water already installed in the house, some additional shelving if you wanted. So really high roofs too. So if you were into CrossFit and you wanted to hang some rings down there, you could do muscle ups.
Yep, my client has rings himself over there.
There we go. All right.
I think that the whole house probably has almost room for 10 cars.
Yeah.
Maybe not quite 10 if you have some motorcycles.
I can see this is one of our other secondary bedrooms, kind of configured as an office with those glass French doors on it. And then there is a closet over here. That's that. So what, we have the primary to see, and
Primary
then...
to see, extra care went into the built-in closets that are in there. So
Okay.
if you're somebody who collects shoes or bags, anything like that, a little more storage.
No, I can see there's surround sound built into this house too.
Yep. Great for movies. There's a little fun feature I'll show you later if you're going to watch a movie.
Fun.
This is the powder room right there. A little more storage or a built-in desk if you need that just between.
Everyone always needs more junk drawers, unfortunately.
Yeah, or another place to put mail.
Yeah. So we're in the primary. I can see it does have its own access to the backyard.
Yep. Plantation
cool.
shutters looking over the pool back there. Quite huge in here.
That is big. You could put a couple of king-size beds in here if you needed.
2 closets in the primary, which is great. No one has to share.
Separate sinks, one with a vanity right there. Standalone tub. So this is one of the closets with the built-in.
Yep. That one has more space for shoes and handbags or sweaters, whatever you were interested in putting in
It's
there.
got a lot of... Oh,
Yeah.
and these slide out?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So those all slide out. Makes it easy and
That way you
convenient.
don't have to stuff it back in.
Yeah, you don't have to. No, you don't want to risk scratching your Louis.
Yeah, that's right. And then more linen space there.
Super important. Big walk-in shower. That's a big shower.
Yeah, that's quite big. Fit about 5 in there.
I always joke about that whenever it's a big shower. You can have a party in it.
Yeah. Or if a couple of dogs, you can wash them in there too.
Yeah, that's true.
That's whoever gets the smaller, sad one. It's still huge.
Yeah, it is big. Cool. Well, shall we head outside?
Let's head out to the showstopper.
And now there's no HOA here, correct?
No HOA here.
HOA.
So if you wanted to paint this house purple, you could.
You could. Not advisable, but you could.
We would never advise that.
It's nice to have options, right? Are we locked?
Did I lock it? I did.
We locked it. So, and the locks work on the glass
The
slider.
locks work.
Very important.
Okay, we have solar screen there. Very shady under this patio.
It is. With
So
the
you-
patio and then the pergola outside there.
Right. So if you want to get a tan, you're just going to go over to one of the side spaces because the pool's designed as a lap pool so that you
like
can
that.
still swim in the pool and not get a sunburn.
I like that. As a former swimmer, I'd love to have my own lap pool.
Right?
And
Also-
then, sorry, it looks like we have some roll down shutters here also.
Yeah, the Rolladen shutters start all the way here. So if you wanted to lock in and have a movie night and block out the sun or a movie daytime party,
Yeah.
you could easily do that.
Or if there was a hurricane, which we don't have here in Las Vegas, but you never know. Be a good way to secure the house, right?
You could. And if you ever go away on a trip, say to Europe, you could lock down the house.
Going to Europe? Aren't you going to Europe soon?
I am.
That's very exciting. So here's also additional space out here in the backyard. And we have actually, so not just the RV garage, but there's also RV parking on that side of the house too.
It's also on septic. So the septic tank is over there.
Nice, right over here. So, okay, perfect.
You're almost just about off the grid with this house because you have solar panels and you have the septic.
That's cool. So you just need water,
That's right.
which we got right here in the pool.
That's right. Plenty of water. And the sun is still totally powerful.
Yeah.
So if you did want to put deck chairs here, this would be the perfect spot to do it. Now this is what gets people mostly excited, Jake.
Yeah, these RV garages are,
We do have the smaller garage here for storage and motorcycles and
that's
toys.
right. There's a whole separate single car garage right there.
It's open if you want to peek in there.
So we have covered RV parking. So
Yeah,
if
you could really have 2 RVs at this property.
Yeah, easy.
Because you have the overhang here and you have the driveway here and then the garage inside.
yeah. And that looks like a pretty wide, that's like a 12-foot wide RV gate right there. And
Yeah.
then it's covered, of course, too. So
Yeah, so you could have friends visiting and do RV tours together.
that's right. And then I'm going to hit the garage door to bring a little more light into here. And I think that is a 16-foot door, right?
Yes, and I believe the whole space here is about 49 feet.
Okay, about 49 feet
Yeah.
deep, 16-foot opening. So, and it looks like that's cool too. They got a little loft back there
Yep.
on top.
Could be used for an extra play space or storage. This was used as kind of a workshop. There's also a restroom and air conditioning in this RV
So
garage.
it's fully insulated, fully finished. Has a toilet, of course, and air conditioning. So it's climate controlled windows. Yeah, it's pretty cool, Ange.
And you can also use this pulley if somebody were so inclined to bring deliveries up and down.
Oh yeah, that's very cool.
Yeah.
Little if you ran a business out of your home, which it kind of looks like they had done here.
Yes.
And you needed to move inventory up instead of going up the ladder. There's a little sled right here on a pulley system. So super smart.
Yeah, and with the no HOA, you can run a business out of this garage and no one's going to say boo.
Right on. Well, hey, Ange, thanks so much for getting us into your listing and taking some time out of your day to show it to us. Appreciate it. I will put all of Angie's contact information, so if you ever want to talk to her, reach out to her in the description of the video below. So reach out to her. Please always like, subscribe, comment, engage with us, and we'll see you guys next time.